Hi Scorpions, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for March 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also using some Kipper cards and some oracle decks that I have here. Scorpions, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading, Scorpions. Towards the final days of February, stepping into March, we have the Lovers card. Possibly, you had gained on account of communication. Maybe you were also dealing with choices here. Sometimes, we make those gains and then we have second thoughts. We believe that we could have asked for more from our clients. But, it's all preordained, so you needn't fret over your decisions. I think your creativity was also quite visible at this time and it was appreciated. Maybe compliments had also come your way on account of your personality or the way you carried yourself at work or on account of your productivity. Obstacles to overcome this month, the challenges that March is going to pose for you is the Knight of Swords. I think the Knight of Swords is a very adventurous card. This person wants to move forward and move ahead, but this is in the challenge position, so you can expect certain impediments on the path. Maybe Scorpions, this month you should also be very flexible in your approach. It does make things easier for us if we listen to the viewpoint of others. Sometimes, you'll also have to attend to unforeseen eventualities. You have to attend to pressing matters. You need to organize yourself this month. Maybe you could also be frustrated on account of technology. Scorpions, the key here is to not overlook the details, not to rush headlong. Incidentally, we also have the Five of Wands in your reading, which is asking you to be more flexible and adaptable in your approach when it comes to personal relationships or even when it comes to professional matters. Definitely, you're going to be sought after this month. You will make good progress. Maybe you have an idea in mind and you will quickly act on it. And this is going to work in your advantage. Incidentally, I think on the home front, you may be a bit reluctant to help family members. Maybe you want to take your own sweet time before you carry on the tasks that they want you to do. That is why this could irk them a bit. Scorpions, you're somebody who will help them out, so it's no point procrastinating or it's no point unnerving them. For some of you, I'm also picking up that there's a possibility of a reconnection with someone this month. Maybe you could reach out on account of an health issue that this person is dealing with or his or her family member is dealing with. 10 days of the month, we have the Page of Wands here. This is a very creative energy. This is also an energy which is making you impatient and restless. I think you want clarity with respect to how you should proceed at work. Maybe you're also somebody who's learning from past mistakes. You see, this page is quite grounded. Even if he's restless, he seems to have a very balanced and calm approach. I think there's going to be gains through communication. There's going to be hard work in store for you, which could make you quite restless and impatient. However, you will be able to accomplish much, so you should take heart from the same. I think you should also pay attention to the omens or the dreams that you have at this time. Even if you're in the leadership position, I think you should be more accommodating. These 10 days will also be marked by social events. Maybe you're also somebody who's going to have strange dreams, so you should pay attention to the omens that are around you. The next 10 days, that is 11th to 20th March, we have the Seven of Pentacles. This is about planning about the future. This lady, she seems to be in her garden. She is collecting the flowers or she is preparing for her future. Profits or financial rewards are quite likely in this time. Maybe you can expect an increase in your wages if there's an appraisal lined up this March. I think many of you will also be investing in your future. Maybe you're going to buy gadgets, but you should be very careful when you purchase anything. Sometimes we invest much, but later we realize that we don't need that accessory which comes with the gadget. So Be very practical while coming to purchases. The final days of March, we have the King of Cups. I think you're going to be someone who is going to seek medical assistance for yourself or for a loved one. Maybe you also feel that you need to look into legal affairs at this time. Or perhaps Scorpions, you're coming across as that advisor in other people's life. You're going to help them out when they seek your words of wisdom. Incidentally, Scorpions, within the home front, you may feel that your voice is ignored, that you have to surrender to what your loved ones are saying. Your acquaintances and friends are always eager to help you out. Some of you could also be dealing with a very sly person. Maybe this person is manipulative and wants you to make allowances for clients and patrons. So you should look closely rather than let people take undue advantage of you. Someone is also going to be quite open-handed towards you, so it's up to you whether you accept the kindness. The thing, Scorpions, you should also be careful because your opponents could try and create obstacles in the path. With respect to your love life, I have this card. I just want you to be happy. Perhaps you're dealing with someone who has your best interests at heart, even whether this relationship is working or not. This person has a huge corner for you and he wants the best for you. I think many of you, if you fancy someone, you want to reach out this person. You may also feel a sense of calm because you have done what you needed to do. Like I said, there could also be the possibility of reconnections. In case you're in a third party situation or in case it's a complicated romantic life, then you may feel that this person is unwilling to commit to the relationship. Maybe you believe that you're hanging by the thread. I think distrust could be there in the relationship because you want commitment, but this person seems to shilly-shally. Maybe this person also cares about you, but it's only just about caring rather than acting on one's words. Maybe that is why this card which says, I just want you to be happy. I think some Scorpions, you're also going to leave your suitor heartbroken. You also feel that he deserves his happiness. Romantic Scorpions, I think you may deal with the person who's away on work because we have the Five of Wands. This person could be out or away on account of business. Maybe there's a distance in a relationship because of the same. I think you need to find time for each other despite your busy schedules. Nevertheless, I think your person is also somebody who is going to reaffirm his love for you. Maybe you should discuss romantic numbers or you should read tracks from books to each other. In case yours is an unhappy connection, I think you could be concerned about your spouse's financial condition. Maybe he wants maybe money is an issue here for some Scorpions within the home front. Or perhaps you're also dealing with a very temperamental partner. Maybe he is very suspicious and could link you with members of the opposite sex. Also, Scorpions, you should be mindful of the fact because someone could try to instigate your spouse this month. We also have this card, Fifth Dimension. Like I said, you are going to get signs or you're going to be getting those omens. Your spirit guides and spirit animals are going to make an appearance this March. So you should pay attention to the signs. Maybe you also connected with someone on the 5D plane. Physically, you may be apart, but there could be a deep connection with this person. From Kipper, we have these cards, main, female. Perhaps there's going to be an important female figure, whether at work or on the home front. And this lady could be a bit despondent. Maybe there are certain setbacks. That is why this person is concerned about the same. I think there could be some stressful situations concerning a lady. Create an emotional downpour for you. Maybe there's somebody who's suffering from migraines or fever. I think you needn't worry or be frustrated on account of the situations that are there. Rather, you need to keep your chin up and face these challenges because Scorpions, there's always going to be light at the end of the tunnel. I hope, Scorpions, you liked your reading. This is Tara with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.